This Limoncello Spritz, I promise, will give the Aperol Spritz a run for its money. In today's happy hour cocktail, I'm taking us to sunny southern Italy, where we're going to enjoy this bright and light cocktail that Italians usually enjoy before dinner. I'm Mara from Joyful Hostess. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. On this channel, we talk everything hosting and entertaining, and that includes recipes, tips, and ideas. So if that's something that you're into, make sure you hit subscribe because I upload videos every week, and then you and I can hang out. So today's cocktail is what Italians call an aperitivo. That's not the name of the cocktail. An aperitivo is just a light cocktail that Italians typically enjoy before dinner. So it's kind of to whet your appetite. It's usually served with some light snacks. Think like 5 to 8 p.m. where after a long day, you get together with friends, you have a glass of wine, you have a cocktail, you chat, relax. I really like this idea. I like it so much that I think this summer I'm definitely going to be hosting an aperitivo party for my friends. Okay, so the official name of today's cocktail is a Limoncello Spritz. Now you may have heard of an Aperol Spritz. Aperol Spritzes are delicious, but so is this one, I promise. It's just as good. And a Spritz is basically a cocktail that has sparkling water in it. So I guess now you know, if the name has Spritz in it, you know you're gonna get some sparkling water. If you're interested in trying an Aperol Spritz or you're interested in what's in it, I did do a video about Aperol Spritz. I'll put a link for it here so that you can check that out. Be kind, it was one of my first YouTube videos, so yes, I guess you'll be going back in time and seeing one of my first YouTube videos, which is the Aperol Spritz, which is delicious. This Limoncello Spritz, I promise, will give the Aperol Spritz a run for its money. So enough talking, let's get to making our Spritz. To start, we're gonna pour 2 ounces of limoncello, which I keep in the freezer so it's nice and cold, into the glass that we have already filled with ice. And then to that, we're gonna add probably about 3 ounces of Prosecco. And then, the dog is here to check it out. And then we're going to add some sparkling water to that. So we're just gonna fill that with some sparkling water. And we've got ourselves a really nice limoncello spritz. So now, I'm just gonna give that a quick stir, actually. Otherwise the limoncello is gonna sit at the bottom. Stir that up. Oh, this smells so lemony fresh. I'm gonna garnish with a piece of lemon. And there we have our Limoncello Spritz. Cheers. Oh my gosh, this tastes so delicious. It's bright and it's bubbly and it's lemony, but not overly lemony. It's the perfect thing for a hot summer day. Cheers everyone, happy hosting, and I will see you next time. Boop. Steady.